Biology, Chapter 7, Evolution of Class 12. Theories of Biological Evolution. There are different three theories: theory of Lamarck, Lamarckism, or theory of inheritance of acquired character. Second, Darwinian theory or Darwinism or theory of natural selection. Third, mutation theory of De Vries. La- Lamarckism, theory of inheritance of acquired characters. Even before Darwin, a French naturalist, Lamarck, stated that evolution of life form had occurred by use and disuse of organs. It states that evolution of life form occur by the inheritance of acquired characters. Acquired characters are developed by use and disuse of organs. Evolution by use of organs. He gave the example of giraffe, in which long neck is an outcome of the attempt to stretch their neck continuously to forage leaves on tall trees. As they passed on their acquired character of long neck to succeeding generation, giraffe came to acquire long neck over a long period of time. But presently, no one accepts this theory. Evolution by disuse. Example: disappearance of limbs in snakes. This theory was eliminated out because it is proved that the characters are inherited only through genes. Darwinism, theory of natural selection. This theory was proposed by Charles Darwin. It was based on observation during a sea voyage in a sail ship called HMS Beagle. Alfred Wallace, a naturalist, worked in Malay Archipelago, had also come to similar conclusion. Work of Thomas Malthus on population influenced Darwin. Probably the work of Thomas Malthus on population influence. Natural selection is based on certain observations which are factual. For example, natural resources are limited. Darwinism is based on two key concepts: branching descendant and natural selection. Branching descendant. It explains that all organisms are modified descendant of previous life form. Natural selection. Consider a bacterial colony A growing on a given medium. If the medium composition is changed, only a part of population can survive under new conditions. This variant population B overgrows this other and appears as a new species. That is, B is better than A under new condition. Thus, nature selects for fitness. The rate of appearance of new form is linked to life cycle or the lifespan. Microbes that divide fast have the ability to multiply and become millions of individuals within hours. A change in the medium composition would select out only that part of the microbe population that can survive under the new condition, and these variant population would appear as new species. Fitness is the end result of ability to adapt and get selected by nature. That is, fit individuals survive and unfit individuals are eliminated from the population. Natural selection is based on the following facts: heritable minor variations, overproduction, limited natural resources, struggle for existence, survival of the fittest. Heritable minor variants. It is either beneficial or harmful to the organisms. Overproduction. Population size grows exponentially due to maximum reproduction. For example, bacterial population. Limited natural resources. Resources are not increased in accordance with the population size. Struggle for existence. It is the competition among organisms for resources so that population size is limited. Survival of the fittest. In struggle for existence, organisms with beneficial variants can utilize resource better. Hence, they survive and reproduce. This is called survival of the fittest. It leads to a change in population characteristics and new forms appear. Darwin ignored about origin of variation and mechanism of evolution or speciation. Mechanism of evolution. Hugo de Varies, based on his work and Evening Primrose, proposed mutation theory of evolution. He conducted some experiment on Evening Primrose, Enothera lamarckiana, and believed that evolution takes place through mutation and not by minor variation. Mutations are large heritable changes in the characteristics that arise suddenly in a population. He believed that mutations causes speciation. Darwinian variation is minor, slow, and directional. It results in gradual evolution. Mutation variation is sudden, random, and directionless. Here, speciation is by saltation, single step, large mutation. Mutation is the origin of variation for evolution. Hardy-Weinberg principle. Heritable minor variants. It is either beneficial or harmful to the organisms. Overproduction. Population size grows exponentially due to maximum reproduction. For example, bacterial population. Limited natural resources. Resources are not increased in accordance with the population size. Example, consider in a diploid P and Q for the frequencies of alleles capital A and small a respectively. Frequency of capital A is equal to P square. Frequency of small a is equal to Q square. Frequency of capital A small a is equal to 2pq. Hence, P2 or according to binomial expansion of p plus q whole square is p square plus 2pq plus q square is equal to 1. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium or genetic equilibrium. Change of frequency of allele in a population disturbs Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. This change is due to evolution. Here, total number of alleles capital A and small a is equal to 40. Capital A is equal to 26 and small a is equal to 14. Therefore, frequency of A is equal to P is equal to 26 upon 40 is equal to 0.65. Frequency of small a is equal to Q is equal to 14 upon 40 is equal to 0.35. Total allelic frequency P plus Q is equal to 0.65 plus 0.35 is equal to 1. Now number of beetles is equal to 20. Genotype capital A is equal to 10. capital A small a is equal to 6 and small a is equal to 4. Therefore, frequency of genotype AA is equal to 10 by 20 is equal to 0.5. Frequency of genotype capital A small a is equal to 6 upon 20 is equal to 0.3. Frequency of genotype small a is equal to 4 upon 20 is equal to 0.2. Factors affecting Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Gene migration, or it is also known as a gene flow, genetic drift, mutation, genetic recombination, and natural selection. Gene migration or gene flow. When some individuals of the population migrate to other population, the gene frequencies of the given population change. That is, some genes are lost in the first case and added in the second case. If these migration occur a number of times, gene flow occurs. Genetic drift. If the change in gene frequency occur by chance, it is called genetic drift. Sometimes the change in allele frequency is so different in the new sample of population that they become different species. The original drifted population become founder and the effect is called founder effect. Mutations. It results in formation of new phenotypes. When pre-existing advantageous mutations are selected, over few generations result in speciation. Heritable minor variants. It is either beneficial or harmful to the organisms. Overproduction. Population size grows exponentially due to maximum reproduction. For example, bacterial population. Natural selection. Natural selection is a process in which heritable variations that favor better survival are selected. The variations due to mutation, recombination, gene flow, and genetic drift result in change frequency of genes and alleles in future generation. There are three types of natural selection: stabilizing selection, directional selection, and disruptive selection. Stabilizing selection. More individual acquire means character value and variation is reduced. Directional selection. More individual acquire value other than the means character value. Here individual of one extreme value other than mean character value are more favored. Genetic drift. If the change in gene frequency occur by chance, it is called genetic drift. Sometimes the change in allele frequency is so different in the new sample of population that they become different. Heritable minor variants. It is either beneficial or harmful to the organisms. Overproduction. Population size grows exponentially due to maximum reproduction. For example, bacterial population. Limited natural resources. Resources are not increased in accordance with the population size. Thank you.